Okay, here we are talking all things bathroom renovations. I'm here to give you some insight and some advice to make your job run smoothly. Okay, first and foremost, it is the most expensive room in the house, so I highly recommend you engage a licensed builder to manage and delegate any trades, because there are a lot of different components that go into this bathroom renovation, and by engaging a registered builder, you can make sure that you get all your scheduling right and the necessary trades in at the right sequence. Firstly, the electrical and the plumbing. All the services needed to be disconnected prior to demolition. The carpenters will then follow, pull everything apart, piece it back together once you get the layout right, and it's all ready for waterproofing, tiling, and the final fit off. Another word of advice would be to really work out the layout that suits the space that you have. Assess your wants and your needs. Work out how you can incorporate different features like this north-facing skylight, which harnesses all the natural light, makes this space feel a lot bigger than what it actually is. At the end of the day, cost is always a massive factor in renovating. Because of all the necessary trades, all the expensive fixtures and fittings in a bathroom renovation, you really want to make sure you do it once and you get it right the first time. So with all that in mind, you really want to make sure you get the job done right. Head to hipages to hire your licensed builder.